Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Jamaica, and this is the Sarah Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet. So people, as you can see right now, we're at the National Stadium, with the likes of other people on the platform, military Kuna, here trying to understand just exactly what is going on with the program right now. Because these are times. Just press the button. Because these are times of extreme uncertainty.
What is that charge here? You walk with this.
These are times of extreme uncertainty, and we as the Jamaican people, we as Reggae Boys football fans, are trying our best to ascertain what is going on. So we're in the National Stadium, and the latest that I can break to you guys is that apparently the team was scheduled to train today at 6 p.m. So me along with Military Guna TV got here, we got set up, everything ready, waiting for the boys to arrive. And thus far there's no sign of any arrival. So there's no technical staff, there's no equipment staff, there's no rumblings, there's no bus, there's no implication that any training will in fact go on today. So what does this mean? What is the implication of nobody being here? Who knows? Will there be a match tomorrow? Who knows? At this time, the only theme is uncertainty. And This or That Sports TV is on the ground right now, covering every single second of it. So, the only thing left to do right now is wait. But while we wait, I want to speak to you guys about what happens if this goes bad. What happens if nobody comes to training today? What happens if nobody plays tomorrow? There are numerous implications that could result from this happening. So, as we all know, the JFF is liable to sanctions because of not honoring a fixture. FIFA and CONCACAF takes such offenses very, very seriously, and that can impact nation's football in many ways. In addition to that, our Gold Cup aspirations would be all but scratched at this point if no game plays, because the likely outcome at the very least is that we would lose this game 3-0. So we'd not earn 3 points and we'd lose 3 goals because of it. Further sanctions. One could see major turmoil going on in the football fraternity. The players not wanting to come back and play for Jamaica. And if you are like me, you would believe that this right now is what I would refer to as a golden generation for Jamaica's football. Never in our history have we ever been able to boast the likes of Ravel Morrison or Michael Antonio or an Andre Gray or Leon Bailey. Never before. Right now we have these players together with such immense quality, and because of politics, because of corruption, because of sheer greed, it is affecting the football. And not only is it affecting the players, because in all honesty, Leon Bailey is perfectly fine. He does not need Jamaica football. He really doesn't. Because what can Jamaica get Leon Bailey that Leon Bailey can't get for himself? In fact, it is even rumored that Leon Bailey was one of the people who footed the fees for Jamaica to get out of Suriname. We need the players. We as the people, the federation needs the players. And they need to understand that this is not about them. So I don't understand what is going on, people. Really and truly. It's very frustrating. Very frustrating. So we're here right now, just waiting. There's absolutely no sign of anyone. No sign of any players. No sign of any delegation. No sign of the technical staff. No sign of anything at all. But as you know, this or That Sports TV is going to be here. We're going to be where we're required to be at all times. So What I'm going to do now is check in with Military Guna TV and ask him some of his views on the current situation. Because he's going live with his people now, but I'm going to cut him off for a bit. Guna, I know that you're live, but I want to ask you a few questions about the situation. You can stay alive, you see me? People subscribe to this and that sports TV.
Yes, sir.
You know
This and that sports TV, make sure to tune in.
But anyway, so Guna, what do you think are the implications for if the players don't come out to training today? First of all, let's start at the training situation. If the players don't come out to training today, what are the implications of that for tomorrow?
Alright, so really and truly, I think the players can be fined. The players can be fined by the JFF because of the contract. Remember, they all signed contract, so they can be fined. I forgot. So they can be fined. Secondly, obviously the games now can go on.
Yeah. So
It evidently means that the players them now can go. But for the implication aspect of it, FIFA and CONCACAF can cause huge problem to Jamaica for all of that. Because it's a commitment and you have to fulfill the fixtures. You have online fixtures. In online fixtures, they have legal implications where they can implement what can cause Jamaica Football Federation huge problems. So these are some of the fine prints. Not fine prints, there are some of the bold things, but they have other minor implications. But nonetheless, you can go down the route where the entire administration get through the door. And then now it's like a Nigeria, the long time Nigeria, the Trinidad and Tobago.
So question.
Difficult situation when we know.
Do you think if further investigation is done, you know, if the JFF itself is audited, do you think based on some of the things
audited the JFF?
Do you think based on some of the things that they might find, you might see legal actions being taken against some of these people?
Kai said, so the JFF can't find the players? Of course. If a player turn up late to training, just know saying he can get fined. The coach can't find him.
But apparently the JFF has breached the contract so many times.
Yes. So that means that the players them now stand up, say, okay, I breached contract, I breached our contract on numerous occasions. In that event, you know the contract no ongoing. You dismiss the contract by the breaches. The facilities that you provide, that in regards to the standard, that not in. So them breach the contract. Jebra said people must have told them a friend. True. Them come from, I think the Clarendon Parish Association them come from. Both Mr. Ricketts and Dalton Wynn, them come from far. Years now. But nevertheless, what is right, you have to do the right thing. You must do the right thing. And it don't look good right now. It really don't look good right now.
And so how you feel as a fan?
As a fan, boy, be disappointed.
Knowing full well that not only would we be automatically eliminated from the Nations League, but you might not see a Jamaica in the Gold Cup next year, and we might not even be participating in the World Cup qualifying in the upcoming cycle. Based on all of these situations.
Depends how much years ban we get.
It depends.
If we get a 2 years ban, if Jamaica get a 2 years ban, we can start over back. But if there have some serious implications. But anyways, people from my life, I cut off now. Never go now, because never go guard the JPL game. And it's so over, the next game so sad. So big up people, massive respect. Everybody who tune in, big up. I try to get some information for you, and later I'll pass it on. But I reach home in time. But big up people.